So say the drama jerk, niggas straight kill me, knowing that they pranksters. This is going out to your studio gangsters. See, I did dirt, put in work, and many niggas can vouch that. So since I got stripes, I got the right to rap about that. But niggas like you, I kinda hate ya, cause I'm just tired of suburban niggas talking about they come from projects, knowing you ain't seen no parts of the streets, G. Think you started trying to bang around the top of the Peach Street, wearing khakis in my while your rhyme little fag try to sing, but you're flooding at the same time, and your set don't accept ya. Scared to kick it with your homies, cause you know they don't respect ya. So nigga, please check nuts before you step to these motherfucking